Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's about time that I'm changing this nail set. I had them on for like 3 weeks already. This is the growth I got so far. Not much lifting, so that's good. I'm gonna be doing this hand today, and I'm gonna be doing a fill-in on this hand. And I'm gonna start off with my e-file. I'm gonna file off all the polygel that I have, like the gel polish, file it down as much as possible, remove any lifting, so we can do a fill-in. Alright, the top layer is off. Now you can see better if there's any lifting. And basically the white part right here, that's what is lifted. And I have to remove everything that's lifted. Not as much here. I might have to file down a little bit right here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to make it really thin to see if there's even more lifting under this polygel. But I just wanted to show you guys what I'm talking about and what I have to remove. Alright, now that I removed any possible lifting, I'm gonna go in with my hand file and reshape the shape again to make it nice and crisp. Right, once I did all of this, I'm gonna work on my nail prep, and I'm gonna start off by pushing back the cuticles. I do have quite a bit of cuticle prep to do because, like I said, it's been 3 weeks almost since I did that nail set, and my nails has been exposed to water in the last 3 weeks, like a lot. They're so dry and they just need a nice new prep. Next, I'm gonna go in with this flame bit, and I'm just gonna be going around the cuticle area. Try to lift my cuticle up a little bit so I can remove the dead skin around it. Make sure if you're using an e-file, to make it like on low speed so you don't hurt yourself. Like so. Next step is removing the dead skin around my cuticle, and I'm using my cuticle nipper that I got off of Amazon. And I'm just gonna cut off the dead skin. This should not hurt, so because like I'm removing the dead skin, I'm not like cutting any live skin off or anything. But yeah, if it hurts, you're cutting the wrong skin off. But yeah, that's why I like to like lift up my cuticle a little bit so I can have better access to my cuticle. So this is the dead skin that I need to remove, and I'm gonna be doing this to the rest of the nails as well. Alright, and for the last step, I'm gonna go in with my tiny sanding band and just remove, like dry skin around it, get nice and crisp like this. That needs to be removed, and I like to do this with my sanding band, and also kind of like roughen the surface up a little bit. All right, nail prep is done. I wiped them down with some alcohol. Now I'm gonna apply a base coat. I'm gonna skip this step where I'm gonna apply nail dehydrator and primer because I don't need these nails to last very long. And I also only apply base coat to my natural nails. You could apply it to the whole nail, but I'm just trying to save time and I don't need to do that. All right, and I will be curing for 30 seconds in my nail lamp. All right, let's start with the application. I'm gonna be using my Macart Polygel in the color VIP, and I'm just gonna put some out towards the cuticle area because that's where I want to do the fill in. I'm patting it to like a bowl, and then I'm gonna spread it out towards the side as close as possible to the cuticle area without touching the skin on both sides. Drag the polygel where it needs to be, and then I'm gonna start smoothing out the polygel, trying to thin it out towards the cuticle area a little bit, and then I'm just gonna drag the polygel towards the front, checking the sides to see if my apex is good enough. Remove the excess, and I will be curing now, and I will be doing this to the rest of the nails as well. I'm gonna start off with that little dot, like this bow shape, and go towards one side of the cuticle. Try to pat it as close as possible. Go to the middle. Once the middle is pat, and now I'm gonna pat it on the other side as well, and dragging the rest to the front again, cleaning up the cuticle, and cure again. I like doing a fill in because like if you don't have much time on your hands, this goes so much faster and you have a nice fresh set instead of like doing a whole new set. Don't get me wrong, like I like doing both. I like doing the new set, but like if you have not much time on your hands, like I said, this is just such a good way to save time and do it quickly. And while I'm doing this, I have no clue what design I want to do. Like something spring wise would be nice, but like I'm so clueless. Like, and this is like most of the time when I do my nails, I'm just starting without like putting much thought into my design, and then I have to stop filming and like scroll through Instagram or something and look for a design, because coming up with my own design is just so messy usually, and I feel like I'm not really creative when it comes to creating my own design. I'd rather have like an inspiration picture. You guys, I'm sorry if like the video is shaking. If you have seen my last videos, you know I recently moved and been trying to find the right setting for to set up like my lights and stuff, and you know where I hold my equipment to film. And before that I had it on a different table basically, and it wasn't attached to the table. So the thing I'm using is supposed to be attached to a table to my desk, but doing that is making it like shaky so much, and I feel like all I'm recording is like a shaked video basically. So yeah, I bought this desk. I thought that was like really good and stuff. It had kind of like the storage I needed. I bought that like on Amazon, but then it like came in, I'm not even lying, it came in like thousands of pieces, okay? I had to like put together the drawers like individually. I haven't even seen and that's not like even IKEA. I mean, it kind of looks like IKEA, but it's not from IKEA. And IKEA usually has like a lot of stuff that you have to assemble, but this like took me 4 hours to put together, and then the instruction it came with, it was made so dumb. Like I'm really good at like putting stuff together like this, but it took me a second to like really understand what I was supposed to do. But yeah, I'm really unhappy with the buy I made. Like now that I like have all my stuff in here, it's just not big enough. I mean, I knew it's not gonna be big enough like storage wise, and I was planning on getting like another dresser just to put stuff in there as well, but it's just like also tiny on the desk in general. So I don't know, like I didn't want to return it because like I put everything together and I assumed like if I had to return it I would have to take everything apart again and it would take even longer. And now that I like did all this work, I was like, no, I'm just gonna keep it. So yeah, if I find something decent, then I might get a new desk and use this desk that I have for something else. But yeah, that was like the worst choice I could have made. And you know, it was also weird, it had no reviews on Amazon. I'm like a review person and I'm like always reading reviews, but this had no reviews. And I was like, all right, just give it a try, because I've been looking really long to find a dresser that I would like and that doesn't cost me too much money. So but yeah, oh well, I'm just gonna have to make it work. So once again, sorry about the shaking if there's any. I haven't like seen the video yet or like edit anything yet, so I don't know how the outcome is gonna be. All right, here are the nails after they've been shaped, filed and buffed. I also applied like a matte top coat to help with the nail art. It was getting late, so I did it off camera. Now for the nail art, I got a bunch of different colors. I wanted to be like funky and colorful, going into spring and stuff. And yeah, this is like the inspo picture and I thought that was really cute. So let's get right into the nail art. I got my mixing plate and I'm gonna be using probably this brush today. I might change it up, I don't know yet. And I want to start off with like the French tip, the purple one. Alright, once I like my French tip, I will be curing it. Alright, now I'm gonna be applying the face. Okay, I think I like this and I will be curing. I ended up doing it different a little bit. I did the French tip a little bit higher, so I had more room to play with the face and I like this way better. Alright, I'm gonna take my yellow and I'm just gonna be drawing on some round circles. Alright, now I'm gonna apply some matte top coat. Now I'm gonna apply some cuticle oil. Alright, and here are the finished nails. This is how the thumbnail looks like. I kind of wish I did this on here, but oh well. This nail set honestly took me way longer than I thought it would. But it was kind of fun, like practicing my drawing and like the fine lines. I had like a coffee before doing the nail art and I was shaking so much, so I would not recommend. This is probably my favorite nail from all of the nails. I didn't thought I would like this, but I do. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.